Welcome, Talking Real Estate with Daryl King. Well, some of you may have been sleeping or haven't heard, but we've all been expecting this. The Bank of Canada is raising its key interest rates by the highest amount in more than 20 years in face of the rising inflation. With Ukraine going on, it's turned the world upside down. You know, there's shortages of everything. Inflation is going faster. You know, most places were just recovering from COVID and, just trying to break out. And now with all this, there's just basically, it's a tightening of everything. So the central bank is increasing its policy by 0.5 percentage point to 1% and warning that rates will need to rise further, it said, while rising its expectations for the inflation rate. It is also easing pandemic-era stimulus measures by beginning so-called quantitative tightening later this month, when the government bonds it holds will no longer be replaced when they mature. So when they're matured, they're not going to renew them. That's it. Take your money and run, as they say. In making its interest rate decision, the Bank of Canada says the spike in energy and other commodity prices in the wake of Russia's invasion of Ukraine are driving inflation higher than its earlier expectation. It now says the annual inflation rate is almost 6% going to be in the first half compared to what they thought might have been 5%. So, what does this mean to everybody? I mean, it means a lot, because anyone that has to borrow money now is going to have to pay a lot more money. So, if you were thinking of selling a house, when may now be a time to put it on the market? Because as they're saying, rates are going to continue to rise for the balance of the year. So, if someone can afford $3,000 a month or $4,000 a month or whatever that number is, that's all they can afford. So if rates are higher, that means they can borrow less. That means they can pay less for your home. So what does that mean for a buyer? Well, it means prices may come down moderately, but the difference is it won't be as easy to borrow money right now. You'll have to qualify. Qualifying will become a lot tougher. So, until they can calm things down there, and even in China, I know they've done lockdown some more things there with the breakout again and stuff like that. So a lot of things are happening, and happening quickly. That they predicted these rates from the beginning of the year, so it's not any surprise, or it shouldn't be any surprise to anybody, because they've been telling everybody that they're going to go up 4 or 5 times at least this year. Now, this is the biggest amount that they've gone up in 20 years. For more information on this, and you really want to find out where you stand, whether you're buying, selling, or investing, give us a call at Daryl King, 905-907-5464. Our home's at darylking.com. The weather's getting nicer out there. At least we can go outside and enjoy the great weather. Take care. Bye-bye.